Another life, another story. She walked out, said I was boring. About 3 a.m. That's when I called my friend. We hit the bar, sent myself flying. Shit, I said I'm never trying till the bitter end. But every now and then I wonder what it feels like to be more than I am. I traded all my friends for drugs and the internet. Oh shit, am I a winner yet? Look quick, is he a winner yet? Mom's back home with a drink and a cigarette. Traded all my friends for drugs and the internet. Oh shit, am I a winner yet? Look quick, hasn't hit him yet. Mom's back home with a drink and a cigarette. Ooh, 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 ooh. Still hasn't hit him yet. And I don't wanna base my actions on reactions, all the things they say. And I don't wanna hit delete and all the parts of me that they might hate. So now I'm laying in my bed and I can't get out my head. It's all because I traded all my friends for drugs and the internet. Oh shit, am I a winner yet? Look quick, is he a winner yet? Mom's back home with a drink and a cigarette. Traded all my friends for drugs and the internet. Oh shit, am I a winner yet? Look quick, hasn't hit him yet. Mom's back home with a drink and a cigarette. Ooh, 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 ooh. Still hasn't hit him yet. Ooh, 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 ooh. Still hasn't hit him yet. I sold my soul and I'll let me down. Likes from strangers, love on the internet, drugs in the internet. I wonder what it feels like to be more than I am.
This time, I'm going to
I
claim that I'm made out of metal, but I'm not really made out of metal. You won't let me see in the boiler. You won't let me in the boiler room. So I'm gonna talk about how I'm a mechanical human, and my brain is a mechanical computer. If I compute, I'm a mechanic. I mean it. I'm gonna show all you guys that I have wires in my brain. And I have a CPU and a GPU and a sound card, graphic card, motherboard, and speakers. My eyes are the monitor. My eyes are the monitor. The computer screen display. My ears are like the microphone. My heart is like the battery. My brain acts as the computer. I'm gonna tell you this. My brain acts like a computer. My veins are wires. And I told you, like, I mean it. I'm a human robot. I'm a human AI. My brain is the computer. I'm the programmer. I'm the creator of the Matrix. All the programs. I have a hard drive. I have software and hardware in my brain. All that. I am analog and digital. Shoo. And guess what? I can download apps to my brain. So fuck you. And I'm tired of people telling me that the brain is not a computer. The brain acts like a computer. The brain is a computer. Now I'm here to talk about the boiler. Why the fuck do I go to school and nobody lets me in the boiler room? Oh my fucking God. That gotta be fucking stupid. Nobody lets me in the goddamn fucking boiler room. Gosh. Shoot. Freaking stupid that nobody lets me in the fucking furnace room at Kessler. I wanted to see this shit, but I was in the laundry room with the manual, and I did see kind of pieces of the boiler. Pieces of the boiler room, which pipes connected to the Kessler boiler room. Those pipes go to the boiler room. So yes, I am hypothetically speaking, I'm hypothetically going in the boiler room, if you want to say. I'm hypothetically seeing the boiler as I speak. God, please let me in the boiler room. I want to see the boiler. May I please go in the boiler room? Maintenance. Why the fuck are you doing this, maintenance? It's time to get on their ass for real. Why the fuck are you doing this, maintenance? You know what? The maintenance could eat shit and die, as all as I give a fuck. Fuck the maintenance. I want to go in the boiler room. Fuck the maintenance. Fuck the locked door. Fuck Miss Beth. Fuck humans are not computers. I love computers and water heaters. Fuck the fact that I'm not allowed in the boiler room. Fuck the iguanas. I want to go in the boiler room and do whatever the fuck I want. I want to go in the boiler room. Fuck Eric. Fuck Antoine. Fuck all them cotton ass motherfuckers. I want to go in the fucking boiler room. Like, you're whack, nigga. Nigga, you're fucking whack. You're full of shit. You won't even let me in the fucking boiler room. You keep saying I'm not a computer. So now you're full of shit. You're a lie. You're full of shit. You're a piece of shit, maintenance guy. You're full of shit. I fucking hate you. I fucking hate you so fucking much. The MTV submission is not working. Thanks fucking a lot that I fucking hate you. You will not let me in the fucking boiler room to look at the goddamn furnace and look at the goddamn fucking water heater. I guess now we could take a camera, record the boiler room, and put it on TV. So I don't have to have a need to go in the goddamn boiler room. You gotta be a cotton-ass motherfucker. But why the fuck it can't go in the goddamn fucking boiler room? Don't even talk to me. You're full of shit. You're a goddamn fucking liar. Maintenance, I hope you eat shit and die. Man, you're like, you know what? You don't let me in the boiler room, so you're a piece of shit. You're a piece of shit. I despise the maintenance. I hate the maintenance. I despise the maintenance. I hate everything that it protects, everything that the way that you're allowed in the boiler room, and I hate everything about what the fucking boiler room is. I hate the fact that the fucking boiler room, matter of fact, the boiler room sucks too, because the pipes are too hot. Why the fuck are your pipes so fucking hot? Are you stupid, maintenance guy? Why the fuck is your boiler so fucking hot? I can't even go in the fucking Kessler Center because the fucking heater is so fucking hot. Fuck your boiler room. Change the fucking name of your furnace room. Change the fucking name. Call it shitty. Call the boiler room. You need to change your fucking name, maintenance. Change your fucking name. Your name is not your name is not boiler room anymore. The boiler room is SB room. Shitty furnace room. change your name. It's not the boiler room anymore. It's called Shitty Furnace Room. So, anybody who can find somewhere in the world where I can go, anybody in the world, anybody, if I could find a place in the world where I could go see the furnace, I'm gonna have to go in the world to see the furnace. I can see the furnace in the world. I can see the furnace on TV. I can see the furnace in my brain. I can see the furnace on the internet. I can see the furnace on VH1. I can see the furnace on MTV. I can see the furnace on BET. I can see the furnace on YouTube. All that shit. So guys, fuck the maintenance guy. God bless. Get a good night's sleep. And hopefully I can try to find some place in the world where I can go and see the furnace. But for now, the boiler room is no longer the boiler room. It's now Shitty Furnace Room. That's fucking locked. Your piece of shit furnace room.
Lights is on.